After I discovered this, I never bought washing powder in the supermarket again. Now I always make it at home and save a lot. So look how wonderful it is. Another money-saving recipe here on our website. Here I'm going to grate 2 bars of soap. As you can see, I've already grated one. Use the coarser part of the grater. Let's finish grating the other part of the bar of soap. Here I'm using this blue bar of soap. Grate it finely. It will look like this. Now, here's what we're going to do now. Let's take a bar of coconut soap. That's it. And let's start grating it here too. I'm sure you and your whole family will save a lot with this wonderful tip. Here we finish grating it. That done, let's finish. Let's grate a piece of soap. You can. Use the soap of your choice. It's this soap that will make our soap smell good. And we're going to do the same thing. We'll grate it on the coarsest part of the grater. Here we've finished grating it well. Look how it looks. A simple tip and very easy to do. Now it's very easy. Let's get a container. Here I'm using this glass baking dish, but it can be any. It just needs to be well spread out. We'll take it and put all our grated soap inside. Once that's done, look what we're going to do. We're going to take our soap and put it in the sun. We'll leave it in the sun for about 2 hours until it dries well. So here it's been in the sun for quite a while. And look at it, it looks like a dryer soap. The next step is simple. Let's put all our soap into the blender. This is a wonderful homemade soap powder that you need to try making at home too. Once you've added it, we're going to blend it all very well. So that the soap grinds completely. Placing it in the sun helps to beat it and leave all our soap crushed. If it's difficult to blend, use a spoon to stir up the soap that sticks to the sides of the blender. Look how wonderful it is. Our soap powder is already whipped up well here. It looks just like this. It's very similar to traditional washing powder and the perfect recipe to save you a lot of money. Here it is. Let's transfer it to a separate container. And look how much soap powder our recipe yielded. You can save a lot of money and make all this soap powder. It's simply sensational. Make it at home and let me know what you think of today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. A big hug to all of you who have followed us so far. We'll see you in the next video.